Have you ever heard of the law of attraction? It is widely accepted that if we focus on positive energy and emotions, our deepest desires can be achieved. Through this idea, people are able to manifest whatever they wish for in life. The power of manifesting has become increasingly popular in recent years. By focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, people can create their own reality and achieve whatever they wish for in life. Through this idea, people are able to use the power of the universe to manifest their desires, dreams, and goals. With consistent effort and visualizing what you want to achieve, anything is possible with the power of manifestation. The concept has been around for centuries, but it gained popularity in the early 2000s with the publication of the book The Secret. Since then, millions of people have tried to use the law of attraction to achieve their goals and improve their lives. In this article, we'll discuss the basics of manifesting with the law of attraction and how you can use it to create the life you want. Do you ever feel like nothing is going your way and you don't know where to turn? It's normal to feel this way, and it doesn't have to stay that way. Take some time for yourself and find ways to get out of the rut. It can be disheartening if other attempts to improve your life don't seem to be making a difference. In that case, why not give the law of attraction a try? It is an effective way of bringing into existence what you wish for. The law of attraction is based on the belief that we can attract positive or negative experiences into our lives based on our thoughts and emotions. The law of attraction is a powerful concept that has been around for centuries. It states that we can attract whatever we focus on, whether it be positive or negative experiences. By understanding the principles of this law and using it to our advantage, applying the principles of the law of attraction, we can create positive change in our lives by manifesting our desires and dreams. We can create the life we want and manifest our goals and dreams into reality. Through our thoughts and emotions, we have the power to attract abundance into our lives. In other words, what we focus on expands. So, if we focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we can attract positive experiences into our lives. On the other hand, if we focus on negative thoughts and feelings, we only attract negative experiences. If you want to make the most of the law of attraction, remember these essential keys. 1. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. The law of attraction works by focusing on what you want, not what you don't want. So, instead of thinking about what you don't have or what you don't want, focus on what you do want. 2. Use positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you focus your thoughts and emotions on what you want. For example, if you want to attract more abundance into your life, you might say, "I am abundant and prosperous." 3. Visualize your desires. Visualization is a great tool that can help you create your desires. Allocate a few minutes each day to imagine you already have what you want and feel the emotion of having it in your possession. Really focus on that feeling and let it manifest in reality. Create a real-life example. 4. Take inspired action. The law of attraction is not a magic wand that will instantly manifest your desires. You still need to take action to make your dreams a reality. However, the actions you take should be inspired and feel good to you. If something feels like a chore, it's probably not the right action to take. 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a key component of the law of attraction. 6. Let go of limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts and beliefs that hold you back from manifesting your desires. Identify your limiting beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations that support your goals. Limiting beliefs can be a major obstacle in achieving our goals and desires. They are negative thoughts and beliefs that limit our potential and prevent us from taking positive action. To overcome these self-limiting beliefs, it is essential to identify them and replace them with empowering affirmations that support our goals. Taking time to reflect on what limiting beliefs we have and replacing them with positive affirmations can help us manifest the unlimited desires we want. 7. Trust the process. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your desires will manifest at the right time. Avoid getting attached to a specific outcome or timeline, as this can create resistance and block the manifestation process. 8. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive people, environments, and experiences can help raise your vibration and attract more positivity into your life. 9. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is essential for manifesting your desires. When you feel good, you attract more positive experiences into your life. The law of attraction can be used to manifest your dreams and to enhance the quality of your life. However, it is essential to keep in mind that this tool is not a magical wand that performs miracles. Creating the life of your dreams may seem like an impossible task, but it doesn't have to be. You still need to take action and do the work to make your dreams a reality. But with the law of attraction, you can attract more positive experiences into your life and create the life you truly want. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can manifest.